Maxim 46. Two things are contrary to reason: to enjoy more than is decreed, and to die before the time appointed. Well, see, our opportunities are all decreed. Fate is how good or bad we're going to be. But that's totally a choice, right? How long we're going to live? Well, there's some things that direct that, right? What our provisions are going to be, where we're going to walk. Again, stuff that there's some choice involved for most of us in most of these things. Fate will not change by 1,000 laments and sighs, by thanks or complaints issuing from the mouth. An angel appointed over the treasures of wind cares not if the lamp of a widow dies. Now, there's a state or station of a particular group called immortal. Well, when you're immortal, it's like, well, good and bad things are going to happen to people, and you just got to step aside from that. It's not going to hold you back. You know, and both can hold you back. Just the positive and negative that happens to other people.